Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do a little bit of unboxing. We've got a few things to go over that we just got in the mail between yesterday and today, and actually in the last few minutes. And then after we're done talking about all the stuff that we got, we actually are going to try to start moving the wall. We started the process of moving the wall, and then just to make sure we knew where it was going to go. And so far I like where it is. I like the way it looks. So we're going to start the process. I got the boys out here with me, so at least one of them is going to help me while we start this. Now, first thing we did was when we ordered all the wood from the last video to start building the garden beds, I actually had a coupon for 10% off my entire order. And there goes the oldest. He's a dinosaur again. And what we ended up doing is it was 10% off of everything at Home Depot, so I ended up buying a snowblower. I've been using this old single-stage Toro for the past 11 or 12 years. And it's done me really well, but it takes me about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do the driveway. So we needed something new. All right, so we picked up this Cub Cadet Snowblower. It is 30 inches wide, it's a 2-stage, and it is 357 cc's. It's one of their larger ones. And I figure that hour and a half to 2 hour snowblowing job could take me significantly less time with something like this. So I'll unbox that, but first I want to go over a few of the other things I got. What I am recording on right now, if you saw that I'm standing a little bit further back when I did the intro, is because I picked up this PowerDeWise Lavalier set. It's an interviewing one, so it comes with two, but in a splitter to be able to connect it so I can record two people talking at the same time. But the nice thing is that it gives me 6.5 feet of cord here, but then it has another 6.5 feet of extension, so I can go up to 13 feet when recording. It comes in a nice little pouch with everything. And the last thing that we have here is this. I was contacted by this company called Wakyme, and they wanted to give us an opportunity to try out one of their products. So I put an order in for it, and we're going to give it a shot over the winter. What's in here is
glass?
It is glass, yep, it's fragile. But it is going to be a brand new grow light for this winter for downstairs. So what we'll do is we'll go into it a lot more. I'll leave a link for all the things we picked up in the description, and we'll revisit all these things later and kind of discuss them a little bit more, especially the grow light. Since we have such a variety of grow lights in the basement that over the winter we're going to try a couple different things out, and we'll do a review of what we think is working the best. So stay tuned for that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to unbox the snowblower and get it all set up and put it away. Now, I'm not going to fire it up right away, but she's put it all together, so I'm going to put her away in the garage, and then we're going to get started on doing a few rocks in the rock wall. Alright, so this is what we've got done so far, about 5 or 6 feet of it. We're going to continue working on it for the next hour. This is a multi-day process. There are times where I come home and then I just move a handful of stones over and just keep doing it every day, trying to hack away at it, because this is going to take a while. Especially since once we start working on that rock pile and continuing it on. All right, guys, so that's what we've done so far. We've doubled the size of the wall we've had so far built. So now we're just gonna keep chopping away at it. one of the things that's going to end up happening, and I know I've discussed this before, but we are going to continue the wall. You can see the rock pattern. Just follow along right here, and it continues on into that thicket. That thicket is we're going to start chopping away at that. I've got the neighbors that are willing to come out and start helping me dig all of it up. We did some identification with an app, and we're able to determine a lot of this is buckthorn, honeysuckle. We've got wild grapevines, and I think we even have a 9-bark in there. So once we start digging everything out, we're going to keep the 9-bark, but we're going to try to get rid of everything else. So that's going to be a future project that's going to happen this fall. This is going to continue until we get to that point, and we're just going to keep going, keep plugging away at this. So everything's all done. I guess we're going to find out how well this lavalier worked. I think it's nice that I can get a little bit of distance from the camera, so I'm not always right up on top of it. But we've got our grow lights, which we're going to start, but that's not going to be for probably till December. And we're still in October, or we're in September right now. So we'll start looking at it a little bit later. There'll be a future video again talking about the difference between the different systems we have and which one's going to work the best. So that'll be a future video probably next year. Well, the snowblower is all set up. It's ready to get started. We'll do that when it starts to cool down a little bit. I'll get some gas in there. But overall, everything is starting to go real well. Yeah, we won't use it until we get actually snow. So you're right. So that's it for today, guys. It was a pretty quick day, but we got to get going inside. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching and see you soon. Now I can record too.